Well, hi there. My name is Mr. Martinez, and in this Garageband tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to get started by making a simple song using loops and your beautiful voice. So after I've clicked on the Garageband logo, this will pop up. I want to start an empty project. I'm going to click on Choose. Now we have different options here. I'm just going to choose the software instrument option, and I'm going to hit Create. And all these things will pop up. I'm just going to close my piano for now. I don't need it. I'm going to click on this Smart Control button just to take off that keyboard sensitivity. And I'm going to make some more real estate here. I'm going to click the Library button shut because I really just want to focus on the loops. I like to have this button selected, the Quick Help button, because as you hover over something, especially as you're getting started in GarageBand, it'll tell you what everything does. Right? Over here, I can change the tempo by clicking and dragging down. Let's say I want a tempo of 96. I can even choose what key I'm going to have my song in. Okay, I'm going to click on this one. Now, depending on what key you're in, it'll determine which loops are available for you. Now I'm going to go over here to my Loop Browser button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and I'll get all my different loops here. These are bits of music that Apple has said, hey, you can use this music, do whatever you want with it. I'm going to click in my search here. I'm going to look up Night Sky. When you click on a loop, it'll play it. If you click one more time, it'll stop it. Now I want to put this into my song. I'm going to click, drag it over. I really like that introduction, so I'm going to put in 2. Let's say I want to fade my audio out. I can click on Mix, Show Automation, and I'm going to get this faint yellow line here. I'm going to click once here, and I'm going to click one more time to make a bubble. I'll click at the end, and I'm going to drag and fade this out. So now when I play it, just always make sure to take your metronome off as well. I'm going to play it, and the music fades out. I want to add some more music. I'm going to reset my loops. In my search, I'm going to look up Flashback Choir. There it is. And Flashback Choir, I'm going to start at 3. And I'm going to put 3 of these in. 1, 2, 3. And same as before, I want to fade this out. Click a bubble there. Click a bubble here. I'm going to fade that Flashback Choir out. I want this to reappear later on, so I'm going to have it reappear at 15. I'm going to put 2 of those right there. I'll need to make some more bubbles. And same as before, I'm going to have that fade out. I'm going to do another search here for some more music. I'm going to type in Mind's Eye Beat 2. I'm going to put this starting at 7. Right here. I like that one there. Let's see what we got so far. I'm going to click here and press play. Oh yeah, I'm liking how that sounds. Now, let's add a bit more. I'm going to add, I really like this one, Koto, M-style Koto. I'm going to add this one at 9, right below here. And underneath that, I'm going to put in my freeway guitar. And I'm going to drag this right below Koto, right there. Perfect. I kind of like this one. I'm going to put freeway guitar at 15 as well to sync in with my Flashback Choir. And like before, I want this to fade out at the end. And it'll fade out. So let's hear what we got. I can go back to the beginning and let's see how this sounds. Brilliant. So we've made a song. Now, what's great about GarageBand is you can add a real instrument. So a real instrument could be your voice. You could plug in your own instrument. I don't have one on me here, but I do have a decent voice. And I'm going to add my voice here. I'm going to create a real instrument with my voice. Now, I don't want to play all this other music while I'm singing. So if I hold Command on my keyboard and click on one of these mute buttons, it'll mute everything. But I want to keep this one on, which is going to have my voice. And I want my voice to appear maybe somewhere right here. And I'm going to hit the record button. And then GarageBand will time it down. So watch this. It'll time me down. Are you ready for this? I'm going to press stop. Let's see what that sounded like. Are you ready for this? So I put it a bit loud, but that's okay. I'm going to hit Command now. I'm going to unmute everything else, and let's see what that sounds like. Are you ready for this? I like it, I like it. Bit of clipping here. I'm going to drag that sound out of there. And I think we're good. So I know that's a bit rushed, but that's kind of like a basic way to get started in GarageBand, making your own song, using some pre-made loops in Apple, and throwing in your beautiful voice. Enjoy GarageBand.